So guys, today is Wednesday 29th of January, the next day apparently. So in the previous video I marked out this fib retracement and I was waiting for price to get here, but then I realized that it already did this and it might not get back to this point. I mentioned it in the previous video. So this was where I was actually planning to take this entry. Now the problem now is this trade has hit my take profit and I didn't take the trade. Why? Because I shifted. I was still waiting for price to get here. When I literally said that I don't think price was going to get here, but I was still waiting for price to get here. When around 7 a.m 6 a.m or something, I saw price getting close to my entry, and what I did was to shift it to this place, knowing that price will definitely come here and react, because this is a resistance point. All this movement was just to come. And then guys, look at it, has smashed my take profit, guys, but that's fine. So we'll be looking for another entry. This is a fib retracement entry, guys. I don't really use Fibonacci, but you can't really remove every tool out of your toolbox in trading. So because I understand how Fibonacci works, and I was trying to look for a good entry with this shitty price action. So you can see that it reacted at the 38%, and not even exactly at the 38%. Look, just a peep away. So I've also now known that, okay, if I'm using Fibonacci retracement, I should enter just few pips so I don't miss. Because if I had my entry was at this point, I would have definitely missed this trade because it didn't get there, just few pips. So I did the same thing for this buy, guys. Just I gave it that same space. So this is where I'm expecting it to come to, because for the last 2 weeks or something, it's been buying. It's been on a bullish trend. So this trend line is a daily trend line for the buy. So that's also what the fib says. I've cross-checked and it says it's gonna come here and retrace. So I'm waiting for this, guys. I don't want to miss this trade. It's annoying me that I missed this one. I would have been done for the day. It's like 10 a.m now.
A few moments later.
So guys, I missed that sell entry, and then this buy here, I failed to actually see this resistance, and then I entered during 11 a.m, which is like, I noticed after this loss, I noticed that when you enter a trade by 11 a.m, guys, it's a very wrong move, because at that time market is consolidating because of the overlap of the New York and the London session. So you have to wait. If you're not inside the trade before 11 a.m, you wait after 11 a.m 12 p.m 1 p.m, you can now take a trade. That's like the overlap. That's when the overlap starts. It starts from 1 p.m, sorry. Then 2 p.m, this was what 2 p.m did. Once it made this, it bought. So I entered at this somewhere around here. This was around 11 a.m. as you can see. This is showing 12 a.m, but this is UTC, and I use UTC plus 1. So UTC is 1 hour behind me. So this was around 11 a.m. I entered this trade, which was, and then it stopped me out, and then it bought, guys. Look at what it did. Look at what it did. So this was like a loss. So far 2 wins. I took 3 trades. I'm now taking just 1 trade every day, because I realize it helps with the probability and the risk to reward, and then it helps you to just reduce your losses. I used to take like 2 trades each day, or sometimes when I lack discipline, I take like up to 5, which doesn't make any sense. So 3 trades, 2 wins. This was the loss. So remember, this was where the sell entry was initially. So if I had actually executed that trade, it would have been 3/3. So this now is a trade for Thursday, guys. This was a trade I took today, which is Thursday, and you can see that I actually broke even. You can see I broke even. So this was initially where my take profit target was. It was around here apparently, which was a 1:3. It was very close to my take profit. You can see that it was very close to my take profit, and then it reversed. So when I exited this trade around around this side, around here or something. When I noticed the bullish candle on the lower time frames, because this is 1 hour time frame, on the lower time frame, 5 minutes, guys, I just knew that it was a change of direction. I had to exit. And then again, it was a support level, but I was expecting it to actually mitigate this week here, guys. Well, you know, it just touched this level and then it bounced up. And look at that big ass candle. I would have taken this trade and then this trade. I had like 3 different setups today, good setups today, but I had to stick to my discipline. Normally before I would have taken everything and I would have probably lost some because I'm trying to catch every trade. But I saw this go up and I'm like, that's fine. This was during the news, European news. So I saw it go up and I let it slide. So I broke even here once it reached the 1:2. 1:2 was around here. So once it reached 1:2, I broke even on both accounts, the $5 account. So on this account, guys, I opened 2 positions. So initially I was supposed to make $6 on this, but I exited at $3 because I exited at 1:2, not 1:3. So this is the 3rd day. No, this is the 4th day. This is Friday, 30th of January, and we are about to take our 4th trade. So guys, we've taken three trades this week. 2 were wins, 1 was losses. 1 was loss, sorry. And the reason why that one was even a loss, I'll put it there. The unemployment rate for Germany right now is about to come out in 31 minutes, guys. And right now, price is at a support level that has held previously 1, 2, 3 times. 3 times. The past market structure, though, it has been selling. So right now, I don't know if that buy was a retracement or, because I had a sell position. I was expecting the price to break the support and retest it as resistance to continue the sell, but instead it respected the support. It bought to 400. Guys, you know what, I'm going to buy this. I'm going to buy the trade. I'm going to buy and let me take it on my other account. Guys, this is risky, guys. Trading fundamentals before the news is risky. Don't try this at home. But we're gonna take the chance, guys. I'm gonna open 3 on this. Is that what my distance says? So let's set the stop loss. So guys, I don't know if we're gonna get burned today, but I don't know. If it's the right day today, then we're gonna have 2 wins and 2 losses, guys. Yeah. Okay. I don't just understand why this phone just acts the way this thing acts. Like, I don't understand.
A few moments later.
So guys, this was what I was expecting price to do, to break this support, come and grab this liquidity here from this guys. Let me go to the 1 hour. Yeah, there, because there's a strong demand here, right? So I'm expecting it to come grab here to react from there. When it reacts from there, it comes back to retest this previous support, turn it into resistance and sell. That was what I was expecting, guys, which I still think it's going to do, but I feel like it wants to buy first because it did this instead, coming back to this support. So that was why I took this buy, and you can see this rejection already, and German unemployment rate is coming out, so I don't know what the result is going to be. So currently I use this currency strength meter to also check, and you can see that the euro is stronger than the USD by 1 bar, right? So which also means that it's a little bit of a sell, still kind of not really sure. And then here's the news. It's coming out in 26 minutes. Unemployment rates. The German unemployment rate is like, the second largest economy in the world. In Europe is the largest, moves the markets. For the euro, it has so much liquidity. So look at the $5 count, guys. We took a loss on Tuesday, so we lost $2 that Tuesday. So that's why if we had actually taken the previous trade, which was a sell, which I saw my entry and I didn't take the entry, it would have been up about maybe $12 or something. So that's the trade, guys. And yikes, fingers crossed.
Many unbearable hours later.
Guys, oh my god, this is going close to my stop loss. God, I beg. God, please, oh my god. Oh, okay, all right. This was a very risky trade, guys. It was a very risky trade, but then again, it's at the support level and that support has held, but then again, it's very likely to break, you know. It's very likely to break, but I feel like the news for the German unemployment rate should be good for the currency. Guys, my heart is like actually beating right now. It's crazy. So guys, this is currently what's going on right now. This is scary, but then again, I don't know, for some reasons I just feel it should hold. Guys, don't try this at home, okay? You see, it broke out here once and then it rejected. So I don't know, guys, this is a very risky trade. I am damn. Oh lord. So it's coming out in 60 minutes. The unemployment rate is coming out in 60 minutes. So guys, look at this very, very risky trade. This was my initial trade entry, but let's just see. Let's hope for the best, guys.
Many unbearable hours later.
So guys, as expected, it took me out, but on the chart it hasn't actually like taken me out on my laptop. My MT5, due to the spread, like it took me out, guys. So I lost like $4. So literally I'm back to $5. This shit is annoying though. It's annoying, like, god. The second time me trading this $5 to $50, it was so easy for me. Like this was around like second week of January. It was so easy. Like it took me 6 trading days, you know. But right now I don't just understand. I don't know what I'm making some mistakes. This unemployment news doesn't even have much, doesn't actually have much volatility because it's not really moving, but it looks like it still wants to buy. But I feel like I should have just waited. I shouldn't have entered it. That's my mistake, guys. I don't know. I feel like if I see a good entry, I'm still going to take it, because normally I take 1 trade per day, but my initial position was a sell and then I entered the buy. Even if I know that buy from the support level was more of a retracement, I still like took the buy. But it's actually annoying when you actually have a position and you now switch your bias because of something else. But it's actually annoying though, I'm not gonna lie. That's 2-2 right now. So far 2 wins, 2 losses, and it could have just been avoided, guys. I feel like London session, London session obviously doesn't have much volatility. I normally trade New York session. I should have just waited. I know today is Friday. I don't really like Friday markets after I didn't even really sleep very well. I slept by like 5 a.m. today, only to wake up to a loss. Make it make sense, guys. All right, bye. I'll see you in the next video, guys. If you have reached this part of the video and you haven't liked, commented, or subscribed, please do hit the like button, the subscribe button, my free Telegram where I drop these free trades, okay, it's about to hit right now. My SL is about to hit here. My free Telegram where I drop these free trades is in the link in the description below, guys. Do comment what type of videos you'd like me to do next, and